Alright, YouTubers. Well, before we even get started what we're doing here, the music you hear in the background, I have no rights to it. Whoever's playing on my radio, pretty much. What you see here on the table, if you've been on our Instagram page, you automatically know what this is, because I told you guys what it is. For those who are not following me on Instagram, you should, by the way. This is a 1963 Kohler K18 wine. Now, where did this motor come from? No other than the Jacobsen. Yeah, we're missing a motor in the Jake. Why am I have this engine apart? Well, simple. We're rebuilding it because lately it hasn't had the power that when I first got it had. It just didn't have the torque, it didn't have the power. It was burning oil like a two-stroke, and it was puffing it out like a steam train. So I have a ring kit coming. I have gaskets and seals coming in already. So in the first bit of this video, I have time-lapsed for a reason, because I was running behind on this here, and I really want to get it done, and I also want to make a video for you guys. So we quickly got this done. It's all torn down for the most part. We're into the valves. I have the snorkel inside box air intake off. I have the stack system off. For those who are wondering how bad the valves are already, this side's sitting at 5. This is at 14. There's no oil in the engine now. I completely drained it of oil. I took the rear PTO side pulley system off because I need to clean this shaft, and I'm probably going to put new seals in. Cylinder walls. Cylinder walls, not too bad. It's a nice little carbon ring up here starting. Turns over real nice. I don't feel no tough spots or nothing. There's no scoring, no scratching. The cylinder almost looks new. We are going to I'm not going to bore it. I'm just going to knock this glaze off. Piston size, if I can get it taped real quick. Walk over here real quick. Now for you guys on the metric system, I'm sorry. I can't really. That's something. It's about. Yeah, so. Carboned up real bad, but I'm not real surprised. I got 1 inch intake, no exhaust. Looks like a little bit over 1 1/4, 1 1/4 intake. I am gonna lap these valves in, and as you can see, that is a nasty carbon. The valves, I do believe, turn. Yeah, they don't turn. So there are going to be some sealing problems. This is the points. I'm going to put new points. Where did I put my coil at? I'm going to put a whole new coil and condenser in. Here's the carburetor. It's a nice little thing. I like this thing. I need to tune it better, but we'll know how I'll do that until we put the new rings in and break it in. Here's the stack. This is the snorkel intake system. My side air box thing. That we know. A lot of the shielding is here. Here's the big PTO side pulley. This went to starter generator. This drove the transmission. This is PTO for can crusher. So this is a brand new belt too. So this is where we're at. Tomorrow I'll get more video. It's mostly gonna be time lapse. Most of this series is gonna be time lapse because it takes a long time to redo an engine. So bear with me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. All links are in the description below. So adios for now.